Welcome. My name is Maria. I'm so pleased that you're joining me. Today I'm going to guide you through a Yoga Nidra script. Yoga Nidra or yogic sleep is a state of consciousness between sleeping and waking. With practice, it can take you to deeper levels of sleep states, which can support relaxation, overall wellness, and contentment, among many other benefits. It can bring you into a deeper sense of peace. Yoga Nidra draws you away from the outer world and into the many layers of the inner world. Your brain enters sleep states even as you are still awake. These states shift the brain into the more healing, deeply restful brain waves you would have while you sleep. Our minds learn to loosen their grip, and we may begin to let go and sink into a state of oneness with all that is. You don't have to do anything except be guided by my voice. We create a cozy nest-like environment for ourselves so we can be physically comfortable, so our minds aren't distracted by the body. Everyone may experience it differently, and that is okay. We are all different. We perceive things differently. It is all okay, just as it is. Gather as many props as you need to be warm and comfortable. Make sure you have all that you need, such as blankets and a bolster, which you can put under your legs if you wish. You may like a cushion for your head, an eye pillow or covering. You can adjust your clothing so they aren't too tight. Take your time. There is no rush. Remaining in stillness helps you to sink into these deeper states of sleep. However, if you feel uncomfortable, you may gently shift to be more at ease. Once you have everything you need, you can lie on your back in Shavasana if that feels good for you. Begin to settle in. Allow your body to soften into the mat. You may shift as needed to be completely at ease. Take a nice deep breath in and blow it out through your mouth with a sigh. What can you do to make yourself even 5% more comfortable? Notice your body where it connects with the mat. Notice the sounds around you. The air on your skin. You may take another deep breath and let it out with a sigh. Sinking in. And one more deep breath. And one more sigh. There's nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Softly sinking in. A sankalpa is a short sentence which is clear, uses an I statement, and is in the present tense. It may also be thought of as your heart's deepest desire, or an intention for yourself. San means to become one with, and kalpa means time or subconscious mind. You may use it as often as you like to help it sink in and become something you truly believe and radiate from your whole being. It can help bring about positive change. Perhaps you have a sankalpa or intention you are already working with, or you may use something like, I am worthy just as I am, or I am one with nature and all that is. Say your sankalpa 3 times silently to yourself. Allow yourself to follow my voice as I guide you through a rotation of consciousness. Simply be present with each body part just as it is. Bring your attention to the inside of the mouth, the tongue, inside right cheek, inside left cheek, the back of the throat, upper lip, lower lip, back of the right eye, the front, the whole right eye, the back of the left eye, the front, the whole left eye, forehead, right ear, left ear, chin, the jaw, the whole face, back of the head, top of the head, the whole face and head, the front of the neck, back of the neck, the whole neck, bring your attention to the palm of your right hand, back of the hand, right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the whole right hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, the whole right arm, right shoulder, bring your attention to the center of your chest. Palm of the left hand, the back of the hand, left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger, the whole left hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, the whole left arm, left shoulder, bring your attention to the center of the chest. Front of the torso, back of the torso, the whole torso, bring your attention to the right hip, right thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, the whole right leg, the top of the foot, the bottom, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the whole right foot. Bring your attention to the left hip, left thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, the whole left leg, top of the left foot, the bottom, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, the whole left foot. Bring your attention to the front of the whole body, the front body. Bring your attention to the back of the whole body, the back body, the whole body, the whole body, the entire body. Become aware of your breath as it moves in and out of your body. Simply noticing the natural intake and release of your breath in your own natural rhythm. Like the soft beats of Mother Earth. In unison with your body. Breathing in, breathing out. Nowhere to be. Nothing to do. Simply breathing. Simply being. Natural breath. In and out. At your own pace. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathing in, breathing out. Now begin to become aware of the different sensations you experience, like the sky as the clouds float gently by. As I say these words, you may observe them visually or have a sense of them in your body. They may be thoughts or feelings. However you notice them is just as it needs to be at this time. Cool, cool, warm, warm, heavy, heavy, light, light, hard, hard, soft, soft, closed, closed, open, open, rigid, rigid, tender, tender, coarse, coarse, smooth, smooth. You may visualize or sense these events in nature. The cool of a snowflake melting on your tongue. A tiny bud flowering in the warm sunshine. A tree's branches gently swaying in the wind. The smell of a soft spring rainfall. the fluffy fur of a tiny kitten. The warmth of the sunshine on your face. The sound of a puddle as you splash through it. The ethereal dance of the northern lights. Take some time now to sense or imagine yourself connected to everything, at one with all that is, or the universe, or the divine, or whichever word is most meaningful to you. Take all the time you need. There is no rush. I will call you back to the sound of my voice. Become aware of any sensations, thoughts, or feelings you are having. Be with them just as they are. Witness them like a bird in flight, witnessing the trees and flowers below. Begin to feel the air on your skin. Notice the sounds in the room. Become of where the mat meets your body. Take a deep breath in and let it out with a sigh. Softly open and close your mouth. You may gently move your head from side to side. Give your fingers and toes a wiggle. Take a luxuriously slow stretch. In your own time, you may roll to one side, pausing for a moment as you take notice of what you are experiencing. Come to sitting as you are ready, staying in this quiet space of being with yourself, this lovely, sweet space. With your eyes closed down or gazing softly down, and your hands at your heart center, breathe in a full Dirga breath, filling the belly, ribs, and chest with air, slowly through your nose, and then breathing out through your mouth slowly, doing this 5 times at your own pace. When those are complete, you may reach for your visual journal or journal and art materials or pen and draw or write whatever comes to you, letting flow whatever image, shape, color, or word wants to present itself to you, through you. You may allow 2 to 3 minutes. My name is Miria. Thank you for joining me. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.